2 decades of applications experience have combined to produce the Series 9000, the first automatic inspection system to offer camera and laser sensors. Now, in a single system, you have a choice in the type of technology best suited to your application. What Monet found in Venice was a chance to renew himself by tackling the preconceived images of Venice. He no longer hoped to conquer the light, only to glide on the surface of the canvas in the same way that the most intelligent dancer translates a feeling. Welcome to HealthSpot's Information Hotline. This service is sponsored by eDiets, the preferred way to lose weight online. If you know your selection number, you may enter it at any time. If not, you can either view the list at www.healthspots.com/informationhotline or listen to the following list. Phase conjugate wave technology has many intriguing applications. A high-quality optical beam can be transmitted through a turbulent atmosphere and, after generation of its phase conjugate beam, be made to retrace its path exactly. Dogs believe us. If you are boring and lackadaisical in your praise, your puppy will be slow and lackadaisical in his response. Often people are embarrassed to really praise their puppies. Interestingly, they may have no problem scolding them. Think about that. Get over your issues with praise and use it. Be warm, loving, and sincere, and watch your puppy respond. Cleansing is the most critical daily skincare step, but it can also strip the skin of natural oils that are important to keeping it soft and healthy. Limit showers and baths to 15 minutes, and use warm water and a foaming cleanser. Depending on whether your skin is normal to oily or normal to dry, you should use cleansers and products that are formulated for your specific skin type.